This is so annoying to do in the morning. Instead, in the van, we had a big duvet and we just had to put it back in our cabinet.
We are Mat and Angie. We have been road tripping Italy for 5 months, aiming to see and experience what our native country has to offer. We began this adventure on a self-converted Volkswagen from the 90s, but after 4 months on the road, the engine of the van broke down and we had to switch to car life. We are now in our 10th region, Valle d'Aosta, and as we usually like to do, the alarm was set early.
Good morning, seekers! Today is gonna be a different vlog. We have just one thing to do as for experiencing, and so we thought it was the best timing to show you how we are doing with the car life compared to van life. And little spoiler, it is tough. Looking back at our van seems such a luxury. Our sleeping situation here in Valle d'Aosta is kind of chilly. We just open up the front windows a little bit to have some air circulation. We sleep under this simple linen and in sleeping bags. We sleep with our regular pajamas and we have this blanket in pile which is super warm and we usually wrap it up over ourselves. That's it. And the problem is that to sleep in the back we have to move everything in the front and do the reverse in the morning. It's a little bit annoying. This is so annoying to do in the morning. So pretty much when we are done putting everything away, the front looks like kind of tidy, and the back looks like a pile of stuff. But it's okay, we can make it work like that. We just parked here and the place we are gonna explore is just 3 minutes away, so perfect. Car life, it's better on this side. This beautiful lake is called Lago Blu because in some different atmosphere conditions you can see it properly blue. It is super famous because behind it there's the Cervinia mountain, which is a beautiful mountain, and you can see its image reflected in the water of the lake. And it's super pretty to take pictures here because it's so nice. You have like kind of 2 mountains in the same picture, and it's super emphasized on the internet, and I can see the point actually. It's a small lake, it's nothing mind-blowing, but it's actually cool, this thing of the reflex of the mountain.
And now it's breakfast time.
I'm looking back at this lake while we are eating breakfast and it's actually mind-blowing. It's really, really, really pretty. It looks like from a fairy tale, like that kind of lake. Wow.
After this quick tour of Lago Blu, we are heading to our next destination for tomorrow.
And since we have many things to do, we'll definitely bring you with us so that you can see what a day in the car it's like. And also, to keep things real, I'm working while she's driving so that we don't waste any time. We took the highway today because it was way faster and also because we need a coffee. So let's go. We couldn't find any autogrill on the way, so that was a fail, but it took way less, so still okay. We are gonna pay for the highway.
Ritirare la tessera. Arrivederci.
And now it's time to do some grocery. I don't know where to enter. Okay, here.
And the other big problem of the car is that this shopping cart is already too much. And now look at the back. It's a mess! And it's also time to eat because I'm starving. And the only way to eat is to go in picnic areas because you are not allowed to put a table outside and cook outside. You may get a fine for that. So you need to be in a camping area or picnic area. That's our struggle right now with the car. So today, Matt's chef prepared some veggies, raw, and a cordon bleu. Oh, it's so crunchy. It's from Valsoia. Good. I like it.
We just ate lunch and now it's time to search a parking spot for the night. Our best option today is IKEA.
And to get to IKEA, we chose to drive the highway again. And this time we are lucky. There's an autogrill. Let's go! Little rabbit!
We are arrived!
What an impossible day today. It was so tough. I don't know why. We are gonna eat something quick and go to bed. But it's so hot.
And we choose IKEA for the toilet.
Yep. Having no bathroom inside the car, it's really tough for me because I have to pee multiple times during the night. And so we're gonna take advantage of the toilet of IKEA up to 9:30 p.m. and then I'll suck it up. See you in another vlog, Seekers.
Bye bye!
We actually survived car life another day. Woohoo! There's an octopus!
Selena!